Hello friends, in this video I will show how to convert multiple Excel sheets to a PDF file. So guys, as we can see, we have this Excel workbook and there are some sheets on this workbook, about 10 sheets on this workbook. To convert them, click on File, then Save As. Select the location where you want to save it, like on desktop. Save As type, so select PDF. Optimize for, you can select any option. In the options, click on entire workbook. So make sure select this setting, entire workbook, then click on OK. Give any name here and save it. So this way you can convert your Excel workbook into PDF. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.